In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. All you need to do is go into Settings to tap on Bluetooth section right away. Then enable it thanks to this switcher at the top and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to turn it on or switch it off, and then select Pair at the bottom. Now either wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on tiny icon next to connected device and do whatever you want to, operating in all of those options here. You can tap on rename to change name of device you are connected to. Tap on device type so your phone will know if you, for example, reconnecting to your earphones. Use those two switchers to turn on or off internet access and allow access to contacts and call history. And last but not least, you can hit Unpair. If you will ever want to connect to this device again, just do it the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!